Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and your plants will be covered with beautiful, full blooms. With this fertilizer, your potted flowers will have large, green leaves. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. To start, grab a blender and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the roots and supports their growth. The next ingredient is coffee. It's a source of nitrogen, which promotes leaf growth and improves soil quality. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the blender. Now it's time for rice. Best to use white, unrefined rice. Rice contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help with flowering and plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon. Blend all the ingredients into a fine powder. In this form, the plants will absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively. Transfer the mixture to a smaller container. Add 1 tablespoon to the soil in the pot and gently mix it in. This fertilizer works for all types of plants, both flowering and green ones. Use it every 2 weeks. That's all you need to see amazing results quickly, naturally, effectively, and completely for free, using ingredients you already have at home.